Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your payments in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app, and here it opens up in the Explore page, where we have some here we have some suggestions, some offers. From here we tap on Profile. Under Profile, in the Settings section, we find Payments and Payouts. And here we tap on Your Payments. And here we can check what kind of payments did we do in the past, and who we paid. And here we can ask for refunds as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.